yourself on mute until I call your matter.
Good morning, 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Marlena Taylor presiding. During these proceedings, there is no eating, no sleeping, no lying down, or no wearing of any head garments left for religious purposes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ms. Teresa Woods. Unmute yourself for me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Teresa Jean Woods. This is ticket SP 1368989. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Teresa Woods.
Your Honor, my client continues her plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date. She waives her right to a jury trial.
All right, if that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. You had a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll set it for the date of January 10th. January 10th of 2024. It'll be at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see you then, ma'am, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Mr. Derek Wise?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Derek Lamont Wise. This is ticket SP 1357038. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3 of that ticket is open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Also calling you ticket 634-72122, offered to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. And we also have tickets number SP 1357042. 1, disregard signal red or amber. It's in default, but I'll call it today on this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Derek Wise.
Yeah, the civil infraction is not listed on the docket or on the
Because it went back into default. He was supposed to have a bench trial on 11/14/2022, and he never came, so it went into default back there.
Okay. Well, the four is listed. The offer to engage is recommendation is to reduce the disorderly conduct. My client knows what the sentence would probably be, and also plead to improper plates. The other two to be dismissed.
Including the open alcohol in the motor vehicle?
That's correct.
Okay, all right. If he does that, I'll dismiss the signal red or amber.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, sir, you want to take those advantage of those pleas today?
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today besides what's been stated on the record?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in any of these matters? You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, first, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 27th of 2022. Sir, were you driving a GMC vehicle in the area of East State Fair and Russell Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, I didn't.
All right, and also I want to bring your attention, sir, to the date of June 1st of 2022. At that time, were you in the area of Were you in the city of Detroit at that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and did you act in a disorderly manner within the city of Detroit limits?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates and the amended charge of disorderly conduct. All right, so for disorderly conduct, sir, my fine for that is $300. But I'm gonna give you some time, because you have to take a HIV STI test. I don't have to know the results, you just have to take it, okay?
Okay.
You also have to take a misdemeanor morality class. I'm gonna give you a phone number to call, and they can give you information on how to do that, okay? Let me
Okay.
know when you're ready for the information.
Let me get a pen right now.
Just let me know, okay?
Okay.
In the meantime, Attorney Faulkner, did they say anything about community service or no?
No.
Okay,
Okay, I have a pen, Your Honor.
all right, the phone number you're gonna call is 313
313
965
965
3414.
3414.
Yes, and tell them you need to know about taking the misdemeanor morality class, okay?
Okay.
I know there is a cost associated with that, and I'm charging you a fine. So if I give you until February 19th, is that gonna be enough time, or do you need more time, Mr. Wise?
I'm gonna be honest with you. Your Honor. Right now, I'm up here at an interview right now. I have from 9 to 5, and I know I had a court date. They was on the same day, so hopefully, if this go through, I will have a job and I can have it paid by then.
Okay, how about I give you some more time? How about I give you until March 19th, okay? That way, if you do get a job, it'll give you some extra time to be able to get things together. I'll waive the cost of fines on your other ticket, okay? That way, if you get that job, you'll be able to kind of focus on this, because I know it's gonna be some cost associated with the class, okay?
Okay.
So I'll have you come back for a review on 3/19/24. And here's what I'll do. If you're close and you've been making payments, but you're not finished paying, I'll extend the time if you need more time, okay? But
Okay.
if you haven't made any effort,
9 o'clock.
hold on a minute, I know, you can't talk that loud. Yes. All right, if you haven't made any efforts to make payments, then I'll be disappointed, okay? So you gotta try and make some efforts to be able to make the payments. I know it's tight when you don't have a job, that's why I'm giving you some extra time, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll see you back March 19th of next year at 8:45 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay. I got one more question, Your Honor, if you don't mind.
Yes, Mr. Wine.
Is it?
No, I don't mind.
Is it where could I go to take the HIV/AIDS test? Where could I go?
So you can either go to a clinic, you can go, I don't know if you can go to the hospital, or if you have a doctor, you should be able to go to them and get it as well. But if you need some answers too, when you call probation, when I gave you that number, that's our probation department, you can ask them too, and they have some reference points for you as well, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Remember, I don't have to see the actual results, I just have to know that you took the test,
Okay.
okay?
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Wise. Good luck to you with your interview today too, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, all right, okay? Good, do a good job.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Wise. Have a good day.
You too. You have a blessed one.
All right, thank you, sir. Laria Willis Brady.
Yes, LaEra Willis Brady.
Say it one more time.
LaEra Willis Brady.
Okay, it is just like it's spelled, okay? All right, now calling the matter of the people versus LaEra Willis Brady. This is count one. Ticket number SP 1294623. Count one, failed to display. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
LaEra Willis Brady.
Your Honor, there is an offer. I believe it's the Driving without a license to be reduced to failure to display a no point ticket and to dismiss to no insurance.
She also has an expired plate ticket that's in default. Do you have a motion at this time, Attorney Faulkner?
Motion to set aside, Your Honor.
All right, so ma'am, what that means, I'll set aside, grant your motion, I'll set it aside. If you take a plea to fail to display, I'll dismiss the other two counts, okay, Ms. Willis Brady?
Yes.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ma'am, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of December 30th of 2021. Ma'am, were you in the area of West 7 Mile and Huntington Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, John. Stipulate the probable cause on the remainders.
Thank you so much, counsel. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to fail to display. The remaining two counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I'll take 30 days, please.
Okay, no problem. So that we do no later than November 20th of next month, okay?
Yes.
All right. Why you don't have your license?
I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them before the year is out, I promise.
Get it. Get it. This is one of those things that you just need to have.
Yes.
And I'm looking
I
at
know.
them like, why you don't have your license? Get your license, Miss Willis Brady.
Yes, ma'am.
And get it ASAP.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
No problem. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
I will. Bye-bye. And Miss Walton? All right, unmute yourself for me, ma'am. Unmute. There you go. I'm asking you to unmute. See? Okay, there we go. Now calling the matters of the people versus Maddie Latrice Walton. This is ticket SP 128129191. Drove while unlicensed, and count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. These are both in warrant status. It's not on my docket today, but Ms. Walton came in, and so I want to handle these matters. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Maddie Latrice Walton.
Yeah, I'm trying to see I don't know if I got an offer on that one.
We're gonna do allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Oh, okay, that's correct. Okay, she accepts that, Your Honor.
All right, if you want to accept that, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Did you get a chance to talk to Attorney Faulkner about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of December 15th of 2021. Were you in the area of Freeland and Linden Streets in the city of Detroit driving a GMC vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, were you unlicensed at the time, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause?
So
Alderman Manica?
stipulate.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Uh-oh. What's this that popped up? This is weird. Y'all can't see it, but something popped up on our screen. All right, ma'am, are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
What's your source of income?
I receive SSI. I have a disability.
Hold on a second. Okay.
I'm sickly.
All right, my fine is gonna be $100, okay? Try to see, people have been very generous to you, they just missed a whole lot of tickets, I can see in the system. So you still gonna have to come up with $100, how long do you need to pay that?
Probably by Friday. Next Friday.
Okay, I'll give you 30 days, okay? That
Mhm.
brings us to November 20th, 2023, okay?
Okay, as long as it's paid before then.
As long as it's paid before November 20th, okay?
Okay, and so I thank you so much, Judge.
You're very welcome.
I thank you,
You're
young
very
lady.
welcome.
I thank you so much. And so after this, will I still have any warrants against me?
Nope, those were the two warrants that you had in the system, and every other case is closed that you have with us so far, okay?
God is amazing. Thank you, and you have a blessed one. You have a blessed one.
He sure
Okay.
is. All right, you too. All right, Ms. Walton, have a good day.
Yeah.
All right.
Jesus, God is amazing.
All right. You got someplace else to go, Attorney Faulkner, so I can hold you for 4 seconds, but